don't know. Hello and welcome back to my channel, and I'm so excited about the new Apple event. It will be Monday, September 9th, which is in a couple of days by the time you guys are seeing this video. So excited because it's my favorite time of the year. I want to go ahead and start my video to tell you guys a few things I have heard and rumors about the new iPhone, because I do my research because I am a buying customer. One thing I noticed was the prices. I think the prices are going to increase each phone by $100. Now, is that true or not? We'll see at the launch. The fact that Apple is trying to dig more deep down into our pockets is insane, but I guess everybody got to eat, right? I will put the prices across the screen that I read from Forbes about the new iPhone price. Not really happy about the prices, but oh well, I guess we'll get over it, right? But what I am excited about is the new iPhone Pro Max and the iPhone Pros. They're going to get an upgrade in sizes. The 16 and the 16 Plus are pretty much going to stay the same size. For the Pro, you're going to get an upgrade to a 6.3. For the Pro Max, you're going to get an upgrade to a 6.9. Let's jump right into it, shall we? So Apple is set to debut its latest lineup of iPhone 16 models at its iPhone event next week, Monday, September 9th. Rumors and leaks have it that the iPhone 16 series have plenty of changes in store, as different displays on some models and a new thermal design to prevent overheating and improved battery life and main camera sensor. As you guys see, I'm so excited about the new look of the cameras on the back of the iPhone 16s. I'm not sure why Apple did not change cameras on the back of the 16 Pro and the Pro Max. Maybe in the future. Never ever liked how the 3 cameras looked on the back of the phone. We're going to work with what we got. Personally, as a buyer of Apple products, I feel like the way they upgraded the camera here for the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, I definitely feel like they could have upgraded the back of the cameras and did the vertical for the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. And while we're talking about the camera, the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro Max are expected to be equipped with a triple camera setup consisting of a 48 megapixel primary camera, 48 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and a telephoto lens as well. While the iPhone 16 Pro is expected to feature a 3,355 milliamp battery, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to feature a 4,676 milliamp battery. So as I was looking at the different leaks and rumors of the new iPhones, I will say I was impressed with the colors for the iPhone 16. The colors this year are more vibrant and saturated. The other colors from the other years were more like pastel colors. But as far as the colors for the iPhone Pro and 16 Pro Max, I will say I am so unimpressed. But I feel like on the back end, you have to take the good and the bad with any Apple products. Like for instance, the camera. I feel like Apple feels like since this camera is going to have such a good zoom feature, I mean, the camera, yeah, that's a plus. It's supposed to have Apple Intelligence. So we're going to just sit and wait back for the launch to see what everything is going to come about as far as with the Apple Intelligence. As far as with the battery life, we're going to see. They're saying it's supposed to be 30 hours of talk time and usage on the device. That sounds like a lot of bullshit to me, but like I said, we're going to see what the performance is going to be like this year round. Every year, and I do mean every year, when a new iPhone launches, I will say the number one problem with the phones is being overheated. There were so many phones last year being overheated. I personally deal with my phone being overheated while I'm using it or even while the phone is charging. So hopefully Apple has fixed this problem this year around so that none of us have to deal with any of our phones being overheated. So I'm not even gonna hold y'all. If you look, the iPhone 16, the only difference in it is pretty much nothing. When I say nothing, I do mean nothing. Rumor has it that it's going to feature a new OLED display, an aluminum body, and it will start at $799. I guess the big change for the new lineup for the iPhone 16 would be the colors. Guys, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the new colors, and are you guys getting the iPhone 16? Moving right along to the iPhone 16 Plus, everything is pretty much the same besides the 6.7-inch OLED display, a new capture button, action button for all the iPhone 6 models. Will also have a faster A series chip, and it will also have the vertical camera camera lens for standard model. That will be for the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. So the same colors that you previously seen that you're able to get for the iPhone 16 will also be able to get those same colors for the iPhone 16 Plus. Let's get into the Pro model, which are more expensive devices in Apple's flagship lineup, which typically are the first flagship iPhones to get a new design and new features. Like I previously stated, the iPhone 16 Pro will come with a 6.3-inch new OLED display. It will also be running a A18 Pro chip. And of course, you guys know with the Pro and Pro Maxes, you are getting that triple camera, a bigger battery size, and of course, they are going to start at $1099. So last but not least, the big boy, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It will be packing a 6.9-inch new OLED display. ProMotion will also have a A18 Pro chip, titanium body, triple camera, of course, focal optical zoom, bigger battery, and it will start at $12.99. So with these new upgraded features, are they worth you getting an upgrade? Let's talk about it. Got a new camera. The display on the camera has changed to vertical, but only for the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. You are getting a new display and you're getting new colors. And let's not forget iOS 18. You can do so much, like schedule messages at a later date. You can customize your text messages the way you want to. You can write and focus and use different customization tools in this new iOS update. And it's already going to be on the new iPhone 16 models that are going to be launching on September the 20th. Finally, Apple has been listening to me. All these years of doing iPhone videos, can finally rearrange your apps and widgets to personalize your home screen. Let's not get it twisted. Android has been doing this for years. Apple is finally jumping on the bandwagon. To be able to customize your home screen, definitely going to be one of the best features I have seen for iOS 18. Will be launching when the iPhone 16 drops. Next feature, I feel like Apple did it for the hoes. He did it for the hoes. To be able to have a Face ID to open up your photos. Oh, he did that for the hoes. So shout out to Apple for looking out for the hoes. And let me stop playing, y'all, and get back into this video. Like I said, iOS 18 will be packed with different features. You're able to customize your phone, and that's pretty much what iOS 18 is. In a brand new look and a brand new display for the photos. Able to do so many different customization in your messages. Now, y'all, let's get into this. Now, let me tell y'all something. This is a good-ass feature that they put in iOS 18. To be able to message people via satellite, that means if your ass somewhere, you ain't supposed to be like in the wilderness somewhere where all damn bugs, animals can eat your ass up at. Still able to send messages to your family and friends and loved ones, even if you don't have a cellular or Wi-Fi connection. They did a big one with that. Shout out to Apple. So not only can you get a signal somewhere out in the woods somewhere, you can also schedule a message and send it later. Like I said, iOS 18 is packed with so many different features, and one of them is to tap back with any emoji or sticker. Express yourself when you're sending messages to your family and friends. All that being said, is the new iPhone 16 model worth you spending your coin this time around to buy the new iPhone? I will say I'm a little disappointed this year as far as the colors for the iPhone Pro and the Pro Max. I feel like Apple always drop the ball when it comes to the iPhone Pro and the Pro Max, simply because always give us the same boring colors. Never understood why they never add some of those colors for the smaller devices like the 16 to the bigger sizes like the Pro Max. We're stuck with the same colors: black, titanium, natural, white, silver. I think we had a green once before, maybe a red, but even the red was for the Plus. It was not for the Pro Max. I'm not really sure what color I'm going to get this time around. I do like this new color they have. It's almost like a chocolatey brown I've seen from the different rumors online. If so, I may get that color. Let me know what you guys think about the new colors this year. Drop your comments down in the comments below and let me know what you guys think. I'm definitely going to love the new camera feature. The 48 megapixels upgrade, that's definitely a plus in my book. 5 zoom is definitely going to be very good, especially if sometimes you use your phone to vlog. I feel like Apple do the bare minimum and then they raise the price when it comes to the Pro and the Pro Max. If you're going to go up on the price, give us more colors. definitely give us more upgrades, definitely give us more features and things like that. The same old boring ass colors. Like, you're upgrading the colors for the small devices, which are the cheaper ones or affordable ones, but you're leaving the Pro Maxes, the ones that cost the most money, same colors. How about you invest more into the bigger phones since they're costing the most money? Yeah, we're getting a bigger display and an A18 Pro chip, a bigger battery, better display, OLED display, but we still have the same colors. Like, come on, Apple, y'all got to do better. Let me know down in the comments, like, what do you guys think of the iPhone lineup as far as the iPhone 16 series that's going to drop? Like I said, I'm kind of impressed with this goldish, brownish, bronze looking color. I am impressed with the new Apple Intelligence that's going to be on the iPhone 16. And I only think they're going to be on the iPhone 16 Pro and the Pro Max. But like I said, I'm going to watch the Apple event, which will be September 9th. A lot of you guys are going to ask me, like, do I feel like this phone is an upgrade? Now, I personally am going to get a phone. I just don't know which one I'm going to get as of right now. I do have the iPhone 15 Plus and two iPhone Pro Maxes, one for personal, two for business. So I know I'm going to either get a Plus or a Pro Max. But because the colors are so cute on the smaller device, honestly may get a smaller device this year because of the colors. I kind of like a color that I saw. We shall see. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, if this color is going to drop, I may get this color. These are just rumors and things I've seen online. One of the reports read that the gold iPhone was going to come back, but to me, it looks more like a bronze or like a chocolate. I'm still undecided about what colors I want to get. Let me know down in the comments what type of phone you guys have right now. And if you are thinking about getting an upgrade, what phone are you leaning towards? Definitely interested to see what you guys think of this new lineup. So leave it down in the comments below. Once again, the event is going to be September 9th. I think pre-order is going to be a week after that. And the phones are supposed to come out in launch September the 20th. And I will come back and do an updated video on the September 9th event. Give you guys my different thoughts and opinions. And then that way I will know at that particular time what color phone I'm going to get, which devices I'm going to get, what size I'm going to get, and all of that. Definitely make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn notification bell on so you will be notified the next time I upload a video. I love you guys so much. And until my next video, you guys, bye. I don't know.